I love working at Allegion. So many different reasons why. Not only because of the product that we are manufacturing or the various portfolio of products that Allegion overall manufactures, but as an employer, Allegion is a fantastic employer. We care about our employees. We work through our 8 values, which is very important to me.
What I love most about working at Allegion are the people.
The people. I work with a great group of people.
The good thing is the people, the engagement.
You know, you can walk through here on any given day and somebody's going to have a smile on their face, carry on a great conversation with them, so it's a lot of fun.
Working here, I've met so many great people that have worked here for 30 years that have helped mentor me, and I've learned a lot from them, and I'm starting to get into a role now where I'm helping mentor some of the new guys that are graduating school and coming onto our team.
I've built a lot of lifelong friendships in the area I work in.
Allegion right now is my second home. I love it. I have friends. I live close to here.
My team is my family. I have a small team, so it consists of like 6 people. That's my family right there. I'm with them every day, all day, so whatever they need, I'm there.
The people are great. From the people that I work with, the support's outstanding, and all the people in the entire factory, just a great team environment. And that's what keeps me motivated to come into work every day.
I feel like the pride that the employees put into creating quality products for all of our customers is what motivates me.
I take pride in seeing our product out in the field, out in businesses, especially when I'm traveling.
As you know, you're making good quality doors, and it's just fun knowing that you making doors for the whole world.
The thing that motivates me the most is probably the challenges of solving problems.
You're constantly doing new and different things every day. There's different issues, different problems, and I really enjoy problem solving, so it gives me the opportunity to think outside the box and kind of be my own person while still accomplishing our total project.
So being a machinist requires troubleshooting every day. Troubleshooting your machine as to why it alarms out, troubleshooting your programs. It makes you have to think, which is half of the fun of the job because it's not boring.
Yeah, manufacturing is constantly changing. You've got to think on the fly instantaneously if there's a challenging issue or a customer deadline. Sometimes you've got to think outside of the box a little bit in order to achieve that goal.
There's a new challenge brought to me every single day. There's new projects every day. One of our values is this is your business, run with it. So if you have an idea, you can make that happen and grow, and that is 100% what happens. So if any of my operators have a spark or an idea, I'll use them to help make that happen. So if they think that the standard isn't good enough, let's find the better standard, and we do it. Every day is different.
I learn something every day.
I think the opportunities to grow at Allegion are vast.
I love the opportunities to be creative and collaborative.
Allegion gives you a great opportunity to bring the skill set that you have acquired outside of the company in, and gives you another opportunity to acquire more skills.
Allegion has given me opportunities to put myself in a better position at work, and also is paying for my college currently and helping progress in my education.
I think the opportunities that present themselves in manufacturing are endless. And we talk to students as they come in about the ability to come in, and maybe you start in a great role with one of our team members out on the shop floor. People can venture around and do lots of different things in that environment. We have people that go from that to some of our lean technicians. They go to supervisor roles, they go to order entry, manufacturing, people that have worked their way up to running plants from starting on the shop floor. So the opportunities are endless. It's all based on the amount of effort and the desire that you put into it.
What manufacturing offers is so broad. So not only from a supply chain perspective, manufacturing operations, you can get into so many different avenues that encompasses. So no matter if you're driven from a quality perspective, engineering perspective, lean management, actual shipping and distribution, logistics, there's so many things you can go into. So the opportunities are endless, and it will never be the same challenge or same thing day to day.
You know, if there's things that you want to do professionally,
you need to tell somebody. Raise your hand and say, hey, I'm in, I want to do that.
If you see somebody doing something, all you have to do is just ask, hey, this is something I'm interested. Is there a way to kind of move that way? And you can always learn. I mean, there's so many different things to learn in the warehouse that it's always growing.
I've been very lucky to have opportunities to learn and grow, very honestly, in things that I didn't even know I was capable of.
I've seen people go from being welders to being maintenance technicians. I've seen people go from being CNC operators up to programmers. I've seen the programmers go from the programming department into the engineering department, start working on some of the software in there.
I used to work on the line, and I became a team leader about 4 years ago. So that was my growth in the company, and hopefully one day I'll be able to grow more. So
I started out on the floor as a temp, and then I got a job as shipping and receiving. After it was about a year or so out there on the floor, the estimating job opened up, and I put a resume in for it, and I was lucky enough to get the job.
Manufacturing is definitely not what it used to be. It's not dark and dirty. As you see on our floor, there's robots, there's CNC, a lot of it's controlled by computers.
We have a 110-year-old brand here with our Von Duprin push bar exits, and yeah, we've got brand new robots that we're bringing in to do some polishing, and one, it's mesmerizing to watch them, but two, it's also impressive to see, hey, this new technology can come in and work on a product that's been around for 110 years.
Seeing the advanced technology that we have now with robots and the different tools that we use is really neat, really cool to work with.
The biggest change that I see in manufacturing is using data to drive process improvements and the increased amount of technology we're using. So we have a lot more robots, we have a lot more technical equipment, more skills are take to run those pieces of equipment, and it really is, it's evolving and it's changing, and you have to be flexible.
So in one word, I would describe the future of manufacturing as exciting.
I would say it's very exciting, very bright.
I would say exciting. Very exciting and inspiring.
I would describe the future of manufacturing as inspirational.
I would describe the future of manufacturing as committed.
I think the future of manufacturing is evolving. It is a constant change.
So it's constantly changing. We're always pushing the boundaries.
It's going to be changing. It's ever changing.
New innovation.
The future of manufacturing means continuous innovation.
I'd say limitless. I think with all the innovations, the new machines, the new tools, automation, it can go as far as only it can take it. I mean, there is no limit to it.
It's forever growing. Manufacturing technology is always advancing, and there's always new tools to learn how to use.
So automation is definitely the future of manufacturing.
I would say dynamic. It's going to constantly be evolving and changing, and we have to always position ourselves as employees and as leaders to be able to move with those changes.
I think as manufacturing becomes more modern, it's going to get highly more efficient. There's going to be more efficient ways to do things faster.
It's going to be technology. I mean, robotics. It's going to be exciting.
I would say ever growing, it's vibrant.
Dynamic.
Always growing, always on the move.
Imperative.
Elevating.
Exponentially rising.
Innovation.
Quality and safety.
It's the future of life.
The future of manufacturing is Allegion.